Just before this audio begins, the script was written by u/quirky3 on Reddit. Go support them any way you can, and let's get into the audio. Oh my god. Hey. Hey, are you okay? Can you hear me? Come on. Let's get you out of the snow. You're gonna be okay. I don't live too far from here. Come on. Stay with me. We're almost there. Just try to stay calm. Okay? Can you tell me your name? I can't hear you. Just forget about it for now, okay? Save your strength. Okay, we're here. It's gonna be alright. Okay. Get out of the snow. That's the worst part out of the way. Hey. Can you hear me? You awake? Okay. No worries if you can't talk, as long as you're awake. Listen. Your clothes, they're soaked all the way through. Wet and frozen clothes can still cause frostbite and hypothermia. Do I have your permission to take them off? Blink once if yes, twice if no. Okay. Thank you. Don't worry. I'll dry these off as soon as I can. There we go. Now, let me check to see if you have any frostbite. Okay. Can you turn over so I can see your back? Okay. No frostbite. That's good. Now, I should call for help. A hospital would be able to help you better. Probably. Hello? I found someone on the sidewalk outside of my apartment. I need an ambulance at... What? Because of the blizzard with the paramedics, I don't respond to certain emergency. This is an emergency. Okay. We'll just have to do what we can here. Thanks anyway. Alright. Maybe I can plug up the space heater in here. We still have it, right? And those heating packs. I'll put them on this time. Hey. Still with me? Listen. I need you to put on these heating pads, okay? Do I have your permissions to move the blankets back? One under armpits. One on the groin. One on the neck. There. In a bit, you should be good to stand up and walk around. For now, just relax. Don't go to sleep, but just take it easy. All the major stuff is out of the way. My name is Matthew. I know you can't tell me your name back, but you can at least hear me, right? Blink if... Oh, okay. Good, you remember our little system. I'm sorry for the whole undressing thing. It was awkward. But it was necessary. Plus, It's just a body, right? I'm sorry if it seems like I'm lingering, but I need to make sure you don't pass out. Just bear with me, okay? You're shivering pretty bad, but it'll pass. It's just your body warming up. Just relax. Don't try to fight the shivers. Just let them pass. The more you try to stop them, the more they intensify. There, you see? Just let your body do its thing, and you'll be fine. I'm gonna go see if I can find something warm to make for you. Coffee, tea, maybe soup if I still have some. Hmm. I should probably bring sugar and cream in the room so they can doctor the coffee up themselves. If they don't like coffee, then. Hmm? Oh, you're awake and you didn't wrap the blanket around yourself. Um, why would you need to? Well, just look down for a moment. It's alright. The cold can mess with your head, so it makes sense you may not remember. I'm not grossed out or anything. Let me grab a towel real quick. Here. Now, I got some food and a drink for you. I hope you like coffee. There's some sugar and stuff too. I'm glad you're alright. I was worried when the paramedics said they couldn't come. I was worried your heart would stop or something. But you pulled through okay. Yeah, I'm sorry about the clothes thing. Yours is in the dryer. They should be done in about, 20 minutes, I think. Well, it's nice to meet you. You remember my name, right? Matthew. Yeah, right. So, if you don't mind me asking, how did you get caught up in that storm? You slipped and you couldn't stand back up? You tried for 10 minutes, but the cold sapped your strength? It's horrible. Thankfully, I showed up when I did. How did I end up out there? Oh, I had to grab something to drink from a shop nearby. Less than a 5-minute walk. I had some heavier winter gear and warmer, so the cold didn't get to me as it did to you. Oh, and speaking of the devil, I believe your clothes are done. Here, your clothes back. Nice and dry and warm. Sure, you can get dressed out here. I'll look away. I know I've already seen you like that, but it was because I had to, so I could help. All good now? The Weather Channel said the blizzard will be going on for about another 8 hours, and it's already super late. You could stay the night if you want, or if you live close, you might be able to make it home. Alright, I do have an extra bed in my room you can take. Maybe we could watch a movie or play games if you can't sleep. Want to watch a movie or show or anime? Toradora. I love that one. You certainly have taste. You're still shivering a bit. And the bed is wet from earlier? Shit. I forgot about that. Alright. If you want, you could share the bed with me. Just for a bit. There. Better? Good. Now, let's try to relax and get some sleep. Hi everyone. Oh my goodness. Thank you for listening to today's audio. Don't mind me. I'm gonna crash off for a second. So I got back from my trip 2 days, well, not even 2 days ago, yesterday. I got back from my trip yesterday. I'm recording this on Sunday 11 p.m. Well, I said 11:31 p.m. And I got an email on Monday, the day I left for my trip, that hey, you lost access to all your Adobe products because I'm no longer a student. And I was like, I knew this day was coming eventually, but it hit me at the worst time because there's no way I could have got a replacement thing because I was in fucking LA, and now I'm back here, and I had to have to fucking scramble to get a stupid editing program again. And I'm like, the one that I used to use before this is defunct now. You can't use it anymore. And then I can't even sign up for freaking Sony Vegas Pro. It literally won't even let me confirm my freaking email, so I can't even use that. Right now, I'm using DaVinci. I'm gonna be using DaVinci for after I make this. And the thing, oh my, DaVinci drives me freaking insane. I do not like how DaVinci. I don't like it. I don't like it personally. I just cannot use it properly. Um, and it makes. I'm gonna tell you right now. Like last time I made an audio, for some reason it's like a freaking gigabyte. It has no right to be a gigabyte. It's just megabytes. Come on, like Adobe, I think it was like 10 megabytes at most for like these freaking audios. But the last freaking thing I made on DaVinci, it probably might have been like just an encoder thing, but I don't know. I don't like it. But yeah. Hey, Spotify. Yeah, I'm putting this audio out early, just so you know. And no, you're not getting a part fucking 3 to the stupid fucking finding you almost dead because you're fucking super villains, like you're what. But I don't even remember. I don't remember it because it's like it grinds my gears just thinking about it. You're not getting that part. Nuh-uh. No. It's been like over a year. I haven't made it a single part of it. I don't think I ever will. Sorry, I'm not getting 4 other VAs to voice other characters. I have been very stingy with that. I do not hide this. I do not hide that I do not interact with a lot of VAs in this community. I like just staying in my own lane. I've been very vocal about that. um, but yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to edit this thing. And thank you to my channel members: Eli Sin, Astrid Lemser, Riverwood, Wolf Rider 26, Amiza Michaela, Kenny 29, Tori Hills, Angie, The Poetry Cooker in parentheses Katie, AJN, Ardent Melody Audios, Red Raccoon, Reed, Unanimous, Grace Roberts, Thunder, Marlies, Starter 76, Mina, Vic, Richard Karnick, Aaron Johnson, Headphones for Life, Serena 3120, Megan J Music, Pip, Julie Arberg, Suga, Scarlet Whisper Audios, Amanda Gabriella, BBQ the A80, Minji_P, Epicurean Bard, Melancholy Witch, Nikita Maria de Cruz, Yeah Right Pal, Maddie, Psychona, Annalise Winterborn, Courtney Reed, Ruby Blue 0910, Mimi Star, Eat Shit, Celine Murphy, Hi Woo Woo Woo, Foxy Cat, Akira Nanimoto, Nokia, Andy, Lexi Young, Yuki, and Butterball Pork Bun. Oh my god. And yeah, hey Spotify, this is the first audio you're gonna get, like the first and only audio you're gonna get that's actually up to date. Because I'm literally recording, well, not recording, re-uploading majority of my stuff on there. So yeah, just follow my channel on YouTube if you can. Oh my days. I'm gonna stop before I fucking like actually lose my marbles. I'm gonna go edit this now. All right, bye.